Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we are going to be doing rock lights on the truck. Got the car back there. There's an update on the car coming. It's not ready yet, but we're getting there. So yeah, to get started on the truck here. So doing rock lights in just the wheel wells today. I'm gonna have another kit. I'm gonna do 2 under the door, 2 in the wheel wells, 2 in the front, and 2 in the rear under the back, so 16 total. We're going to start off by removing the inner fender liner. I already started before I started recording. Yeah, I messed that up. Anyway, I'm going to clean this out really well while I'm in here. And yeah. So first we'll go over what should come in the box. We'll start here. These are curved mounts, or shims or bushings or whatever, and there's some flat ones in this as well. There's 4 packs of that total. Nuts and bolts, hardware kit. We got all this pre-attached. Control box and the 8 rock lights. I do not have extensions, but I'll figure that out. We're gonna unattach all these and then we'll get going. So I only pulled 2 out of the box. The rest are still back in there. My thinking is this is the fender liner as it would sit in the truck. This is the front bumper. This is, well, it's cut, but it's at the rock guard at the back of the fender. So this is my fender edge. I'm thinking right in this area. So 1 here and 1 over here. Not really any other great place to put them because this as a curve, it starts to curve extremely steeply from here down, and the curve this way also. And I don't think I want to go all the way out here because then it'll be maybe, but these are, I'm gonna go here because this also keeps them up so that when you're taking side angle photos, you know, they're not blatantly visible. I mean, you'll see them sometimes, but not always. So here they are, mounted in place. Wires coming through the back using the provided hardware, no spacers or anything like that. Now I'm going to take the wire and run them down along to poke out down this and in this corner down here. I'll zip tie those together so that they're nice and tidy. So then you reinstall the liner. So there you can see them when I'm down low. This is about belly button height for me. Here's chest height. So you can't see them unless you get way down low. And then I'm just gonna leave the wires hanging until I get all of them done, and then I'm gonna find exactly where I want to mount the box. So again, on the back now, I did the front there, I'm gonna do the back here, and then the same process on the other side. I'm not gonna record that. This one though does have a lip here that we can get a light up in here somewhere, and I'm gonna go measure the front and find out how far apart they are so that we can make sure that the light angling is as close as possible. So on the front, center of the LED to the center of the LED was about 15. If I go 15, I'll have to offset them, so I'll back it down to 13 and a half and put it on that one and that one. Should be good enough. Then you just reinstall. This rear one, you cannot see the lights at all unless you really get up under it. They're definitely tucked back in there. Then again, wires, I'm gonna leave those till the end. I'm gonna go do the other side and run the wires. You know, I'll just run them on top of the frame, nice and neat, zip tied to factory wiring, brake lines, fuel lines, whatever. and then run a power line to the battery on that side, because these wires, the extensions on the lights, 2 of them are long, and then that's about 6 foot. So these 6 foot ones, I'm hoping I'm going to put those on the passenger side with the box on the passenger side rail, and then that'll be enough. If not, I'll have to order extensions. All right, so it's the next day. I got all the lights on. The second rock light kit is also on, the 2 under each bumper and 2 under each door. All 8 wheel lights are in. Everything's on. It's great. It's not nighttime, so we'll get back to it, and I'll get back to you guys at night so you can see them all lit up. All right, here it is. This is just on the white. These are RGBW, so this is a pure true white. I've kind of got a little bit of a dim spot right there. This is a crew cab, but I could probably move my backlight from like here to here, you know, just a fucking 6 inches or so. But it's bright. This is 16 lights. 2 here, 2 in each wheel well, 2 on each side, and then 2 under the front. Sorry, I can't get back very good. My driveway's tight. Yeah, it's pretty damn bright. I just wanted to do one more quick bit of it running through all the colors. You can see everything's nice and smooth. There's no mottled color. It's just kind of all nice and crisp. And it may be running slight different color front to rear, because all the lights from this one forward are on one kit, and this one back are on a second kit. So the blending color, I mean, it's not terrible, but it doesn't quite line up perfect. But it's all right. I'm never going to use it doing this. All right, so I had to wait until daytime to film the last part of this, but that's all for the rock light video. If you need anything, wheels, tires, traction bars, lighting, tunes, exhaust, performance mods, shit like that, UpCountry. Follow the socials. They're backwards, but you know, they're in the link down below. So thanks for watching, and that's it.